Hey guys, good to see you again. Today we are baking a healthy wheat bread with different seeds. As pre-ferment I use a Pâte Fermentée to enhance the flavor. The seeds are roasted and rehydrated to increase the moisture of the crumb. The recipe is easy to follow and can be divided into 5 steps. Preparing the Pâte Fermentée, preparing the seeds, kneading the dough, shaping the dough and finally baking it. So what do you think? Let me know your questions and experiences in the comments below. Step 1. Pâte Fermentée. Put the flour, water, salt and yeast in a bowl. Mix everything by hand until well combined. This process will take about 2 minutes and results in a firm ball. Cover the dough and let it rest for 1 hour at room temperature. After this, place the dough in the fridge for 12 to 48 hours. Step 2. Roast and rehydrate seeds. The seeds are roasted in a pan until they are golden brown. After this, put the roasted seeds in a bowl, add salt and hot water. Mix everything to dissolve the salt. Let the rehydrated seeds cool down before preparing the dough. If needed, the seeds can be stored for about 24 hours in the fridge before continuing with the next step. Step 3. Preparing the dough. Take your Pâte Fermentée, flour, water and yeast and start kneading without seeds for about 5 minutes on low speed. Continue kneading for 8 minutes on medium speed. After this, add the seeds to the dough and continue kneading for about 3 minutes on medium speed. After the kneading process, the dough had a temperature of about 26 degrees Celsius or 79 degrees Fahrenheit. The dough is fermented over the next 90 minutes at room temperature, which was 24 degrees Celsius or 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Perform one stretch and fold after 45 minutes. Step 4. Shape the dough. Shape the dough after a total resting time of 90 minutes and put the dough in a baking pan. Cover the baking pan and let the dough rest for about 75 minutes at room temperature. Before baking, score the dough and wet the dough surface. Step 5. Baking. Preheat your oven in time for 45 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius or 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake your bread for 10 minutes at that temperature with steam. Release the steam after 10 minutes and continue baking at 210 degrees Celsius or 410 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes. Enjoy your bread after a total baking time of 55 minutes. Let me know your questions and experiences in the comments below. Please subscribe the channel for further content. Let's bake together and make some incredible bread.